Are you looking for a natural way to boost your bone strength and keep your joints feeling flexible and young? What if I told you one of the answers could be growing on your windowsill in just a week? Today, we're talking about a tiny green powerhouse, Garden Cress. So, what exactly is Garden Cress? It's a peppery, vibrant microgreen, and it's absolutely packed with nutrients that your bones and joints will love. We're talking high levels of calcium, vitamin K, magnesium, and even those amazing omega-3 fatty acids. It's like a multivitamin specifically designed by nature for your skeletal system. Let's dive into how it works. Garden Cress is fantastic for supporting bone mineralization, which is the process of hardening your bones to make them strong and resilient. It also helps with collagen synthesis. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your joints together, providing that essential flexibility and cushioning. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe joint discomfort. Now for a quick science snapshot. The vitamin K in Garden Cress is a superstar. It acts like a traffic cop, directing calcium into your bones where it's needed most, rather than letting it build up in your arteries. The magnesium is equally important, supporting both healthy cartilage and proper muscle function, which is crucial for stabilizing your joints. Strong muscles mean less strain on your joints, a win-win. So, how can you start incorporating this amazing green into your diet? It's incredibly easy. You can sprinkle a handful or two over your salads for a zesty kick, blend it into your morning smoothies for a nutrient boost, or even top off your scrambled eggs. Aim for about 1 to 2 handfuls daily to really reap the benefits. And the best part? You can grow it yourself. All you need is a sunny windowsill, a shallow tray with some soil or even just a damp paper towel, and some seeds. In just 7 to 10 days, you'll have your very own fresh supply of Garden Cress. It's that simple. Here's a quick tip to maximize the benefits. Pair your Garden Cress with a source of vitamin C, like a squeeze of lemon or some orange slices. This helps your body absorb the iron also present in the CRSs. And as always, try to go easy on the salt to keep your whole system happy. There you have it, a simple, natural, and delicious way to care for your bones and joints. Give Garden Cress a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.